Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Desktop tutorial video series. In this video, I will be going over how to set up and print a bill. To begin, open TaxTron and navigate to the top of the window where you will find the Tools option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Preferences. This action will open the Preferences window. In the Preferences window, you will want to navigate to the Bill tab. You will then want to select a form for which you want to change the price for and select it. For example, let's say I want to charge a flat rate of $75 for the T1 jacket. I will scroll and locate the T1 jacket under the TaxTron heading and enter in $75. Likewise, when it comes to charging for preparing a statement of business activities, you can find this option under the section for self-employment activities and input the desired fee. For instance, you can set it as $40. After you have updated your preferred prices, simply click the OK button at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. Once that's done, navigate to the Form Manager and in the search bar type in Bill. Among the displayed forms, choose the one labeled Bill Client or Bill Detail. Opting for the Bill Detail option will open an invoice that includes a comprehensive breakdown of the charges for each form. For instance, in my scenario, I have generated a Statement of Business Activities T2125 form and completed the tax return. When scrolling down the invoice, you will notice that in addition to the flat fee of $75 for the T1 jacket, the client is also being billed $40 for the preparation of the T2125 form or Statement of Business Activities. This invoice provides a summarized view of the charges associated with each form. However, if you prefer an invoice without the detailed summary, you should select the Bill Client option instead. Now, in order to print the bill for the taxpayer or for your own record keeping, have the bill you would like to print open and then simply navigate to the File menu and select Print Current Page. You are now ready to continue preparing tax returns for your clients. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.